3.
Hi, my name is Thu
I'm Quang Anh.
and today we will introduce you our project named Bring Humans Closer to Natural by Toothpaste. So our project has 6 parts. The first one is introduction, hypothesis, material, method, results and discussion, and conclusion. Let's come to the first part, introduction with me. So you and I all use toothpaste, and we all know that toothpaste are contain fluoride. And nowadays some are contain microbeads too. About fluoride, fluoride is gradual accumulation of toxic chemicals. If you use it for a long time, it will cause many serious health problems. About the microbeads. The microbeads, the small pieces microbeads, plastic, will travel through the wastewater into the lake, into the river, and as well as impact the food chain, and it can harmful your health, especially brain structure or respiratory illness. And so we come up with this idea because our ancestors have used charcoal to make their toothpaste, and we in our toothpaste we use charcoal and a lot of ingredients which is easy to find and recyclable to make our 100% toothpaste. And let's come to the hypothesis with Quang Anh.
We asked questions about how to create toothpaste with the most suitable ingredient and the best ratio in our toothpaste. How to get the best color, the best texture, quality, and good to your health. How to create a toothpaste that have a lovely, safe feeling when using. But what do we need to create it? All we need is 50 grams of charcoal, 50 grams of activated carbon, 700 grams of orange shell, 50 grams of Navifer soaked, 50 grams soaked, 100 grams of kudzu powder, 100 grams of coffee ground. Who will tell you step by step how to create this toothpaste?
So with these materials, we can have 1.1 kilograms of our toothpaste. But how to do it? Step 1. Smash into small pieces the orange shells and crush the charcoal into small pieces. Step 2. Dry it up under the sunshine. Step 3. Mix all of this into one bowl, and with the ration of our researched ration is the orange shells, coffee ground, kudzu powder, salt, Navifer, active carbon, and charcoal is 5, 2, 2, 1, 1, and 1, 1. And so let's come to our results and discussion with Nguyen Quynh Anh.
As we have experienced with many different recipes, we have created a 100 natural toothpaste that have no fluoride, no microbeads, and very environmentally friendly. The benefit of the toothpaste have been judged by our consumer, which is our friend, family, doctors, dentists, essential, and even ourselves. Our natural toothpaste, as I said before, are very environmentally friendly and healthy, with zero side effect on human and the environment. Now, it's all up to you. It's your decision, your choice.
So the conclusion is we confirm that our toothpaste will safety and effective for our health, and we don't have zero side to effect on the environment and for humans. We should use this toothpaste to save our health and save the environment. So I hope you enjoyed our presentation and our toothpaste. Thank you for listening.